Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the video background in CapCut PC. For example, I'm just going to add my video to the track and I'm just going to remove the background here. So how to, you're just going to cut out, select chroma key or auto cut out. But in this clip, I am just going to select auto cut out and just wait for removing the background. So this is playing auto cut. You can also add another background to your video. Just add the background and move the video out. Just forward version and merge it. So that's how to remove the video background in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.